Just incredibly useful, and I think everyone should take it.
Intro to Business has every kind of business in it.
I've taken a couple business classes. I have personal finance right now. I've taken Intro to Business before. I had wood shop classes, drafting classes, and ceramic classes.
The most successful is to get kids to understand a little about everything, and then they can pick their way.
You're always busy. There's very little downtime.
Definitely take some. Like, you don't want to miss these. These are very good life lessons that you'll want to learn, and you get so much out of them. The teachers hold you to those expectations. You're building your work ethic.
You're always learning. You're always doing something.
I have several kids working with Connected Lane County to get internships.
Just in my personal finance class, we've learned about stocks, investments, loans, all kinds of stuff, insurances, and now because of those classes alone, I've gotten interest in what I want to do in the future, and now I know how to do them as well.
That's why the name CTE. It's Career Technical and Education, right? They can follow a career path in some of my academic electives, or they could just go straight to work in my elective.
Overall, they're very fun.
I find that very interesting because, business is all around us. That's the world we live in. I think everyone should take it.